So today we're gonna see how and why we use a const in C++ methods. So suppose we have a class car which has its characteristics such as model, which is described by the string, and also a year it was produced, which is described by an integer. Oftentimes you can see such methods as getModel, which basically returns a content of the private variables. As we can see, this function returns a variable model, and as you might already notice, there is a keyword const at the end of the function. What it does is basically it let us know that this function does not change or update anything at all. So let's see a simple example. So let's suppose we have another function which will try to update a year. So let's see, get year and update year and get year. So we have this kind of function which basically tries to increment a year and return that year. So we declared a method which will try to a constant method which will try to update its variables in the class. So let's try to run this example. So as we can see, we have a lot of errors here, and I need to just include an IS library stream. Yes, so now we have only one error. So here a compiler tells us that we cannot update our variable within a constant function. So that's basically an idea of constant function. So it's just let us know that in this function we cannot update anything. So if we remove the constant keyword and try to run, it will be compiled as expected. Yes, so that's an idea of constant functions or constant methods. So hope you guys get a general idea what a const is in methods, in classes, and in next tutorials we'll see how we can use a const in more advanced ways.